Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video, I'm going to share how to cut open a pomegranate in 1 minute.
Pomegranate is a sectional fruit. You can see that with all the ridges all along the pomegranate. To start cutting a pomegranate, make a cut right on top of the pomegranate, make a square cut just skin deep. And then pop the top open and it comes off like a lid. And then make a cut on the side of the pomegranate, just skin deep right on the ridges or right along the white membrane. And then just pop open the pomegranate just like this. Next, get a bowl of water and then drop your pomegranate right in there. And then just start knocking off the seeds with your hands.
Now, if you don't do this part, the red juice is going to get over everything and it's going to look like you butchered an animal.
Simply keep knocking the seeds off and dislodge all the seeds. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go. All the seeds have been dislodged and all the white membrane is floating right on top of the water, which is very easy to remove. Drain the water and here you go. All the pomegranate seeds are ready for eating.
I hope you like this video. Well, share this video and click on subscribe and I'll see you in another video.